Hey, to lock apps on the Redmi 13, all you have to do is just to open the settings. Now, when you are in the settings, you will have to start scrolling until you find apps. And when you open apps, you have to go into the app lock. Now, we have to click to turn it on. And next, we can use this simple pattern, but also when you click on the change password, we can set PIN or this second password type. Let's do this one more time. It's actually this one. So we can decide, in my case, I'm going to use pattern. You have to input your password 2 times. Click next. Now click to not now or add Xiaomi account if you want, but in my case, I'm gonna skip this step. Click not now in the left bottom corner if you don't want to add Xiaomi account. Now you can actually unselect all of these apps because after this you will be able to set it manually. Click use app lock. Now click cancel. And let's say that if you want to set password for YouTube, you have to just click on the switcher. And now if you are going to open YouTube, you have to input your password. And that's how you can do this for every application. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.